In this video you will learn 30 words related to hospital. Let's start. Abnormal. Abnormal. Not normal for the human body. This amount of weight loss is abnormal for men your age. Ache. Ache. Pain that won't go away. There's a constant ache in my shoulder. Acute. Acute. Quick to become severe. Doctors are treating several cases of acute pneumonia. Artery. Artery. A blood vessel that carries blood from the heart to the body. He had an operation last year to widen a heart artery. Bedsore. Bedsore. Wounds that develop on a patient's body from lying in one place for too long. If you don't get up and take a walk, you will develop painful bedsores. Benign. Benign. Not cancerous. If the tumor is benign, doctors will not treat it. Blister. Blister. Swelling on the skin. Often filled with a watery liquid. Tight shoes can blister your feet. Bruise. Bruise. A small injury that results in discoloration. He had a bad bruise on his leg after he fell. Clot. Clot. Mass of coagulated blood. He underwent surgery to remove a blood clot on the brain. Cyst. Cyst. A sac in the body tissue filled with fluid. We're going to remove the cysts just to be on the safe side. Deficiency. Deficiency. A lack of something necessary for one's health. The tests show that you have an iron deficiency. Dehydrated. Dehydrated. In need of water. She was getting a little dehydrated after the run. Diagnosis. Diagnosis. Medical explanation of an illness or condition. Early diagnosis and treatment are essential. Dislocated. Dislocated. When a bone is temporarily separated from its joint. He dislocated his knee when he fell on the ice. Fatal. Fatal. Causing death. He has a potentially fatal heart condition. Gauze. Gauze. Bleached cotton cloth of plain weave used for bandages. The doctor bound the wound with gauze. inflamed, inflamed. Red and swollen injured body part. An inflamed tendon in his shoulder kept him out of the game. Intravenous, intravenous. Within or by means of a vein. He'll receive intravenous fluids through a catheter on his hand. Lump, lump. A compact mass or hard swelling found in or on the body. I had a nasty lump on my head where I had fallen. Midwife, midwife. A woman skilled in aiding the delivery of babies. The midwife cut and tied off the baby's umbilical cord. Numb, numb. No feeling in a certain body part. I had been sitting still so long my feet had gone numb. Prescribe, prescribe. Advise and authorize the use of a medicine or treatment for someone. The doctor prescribed antibiotics to stop the infection. Prone, prone. Having a tendency. Fair-skinned people are particularly prone to sunburn. Pulse, pulse. The regular beating of blood through your body. The doctor felt the patient's pulse, and found that it was normal. Stethoscope, stethoscope. A medical instrument for listening to sounds inside the body. He examined her chest and back with a stethoscope. Seizure, seizure. Sudden violent movements or unconsciousness caused by malfunction in brain. He was hospitalized after allegedly suffering a seizure. Transplant, transplant. Moving of an organ from one human to another. Several of the patients had received kidney transplant. Vein, vein. The thin tubes that transport blood around the body. The veins in his arms are really thick and easy to see under the skin. Ward, ward. A ward is a group of rooms or a section in a hospital. Alex was admitted to the emergency ward with a wound in his head. Wound, wound. Injury to body. The wounded soldiers are being airlifted to the hospital.